Ay, ang taas na naman ang bill ng kuryente ko. Ang dami na naming gastusin. Parati na lang kulang ang sweldo ko. Kailangan yata magdagdag ako ng ibang pagkakakitaan. Hindi naman ako pwede magdagdag ng trabaho kasi kulang na ang oras ko. Alam ko na. Magnegosyo kaya ako? Tama. Mas may kontrol ako sa oras kung meron akong sariling negosyo. Pero teka, ano bang magandang negosyo ngayon? Franchise? Ang mahal pala. E-loading? Ang liit naman ang kita. Sari-sari store? Wala naman akong pwesto. Ano kayang pwedeng negosyo na maliit lang ang puhunan pero pwedeng kumita ng malaki? Ano kayang magandang produkto? Anong negosyo ang siguradong kikita?
We're really excited about Major U. We feel that with Major U, we're able to give everybody access to entrepreneurship. Alam nyo namang napakahirap gumawa at magpalaki ng negosyo. Kailangan mo ng isang magandang konsepto, kailangan mo ng kapital, kailangan mo ng mga tao at technology. At for the most part of us, for many of us, hindi masyadong accessible talaga yan lahat. Nang dahilan dito sa Major U, we're making business ownership, we're making entrepreneurship, and we're making it possible na magtrabaho ka para sa sarili mo at ikaw ang maging sarili mong boss.
Major U Corporation offers a business that anyone can start for as little as 9,998 pesos. With products that are high in demand, very consumable, and very practical. A business partner can earn up to 24K per day, depending on his or her sales efforts. Plus, the company gives incentives and special recognition to those who hit sales targets for their business at a given period of time.
Ibang-iba ang Major U Corporation sa ibang kumpanya outside. Dito sa Major U Corporation, nakita ko yung four-legged horse or yung apat na paa ng kumpanya. Unang-una yung company, yung produkto, pangatlo is yung marketing plan, as well as of course yung number 4, leadership. Lahat ng ito nakita ko sa Major U Corporation, which I believe na ito yung pinaka-importanting bagay bago ka sumali o mag-join sa isang company, kailangan nakikita mo to.
Dito sa Major U, sinisigurado naming tutukan ang tatlong aspeto ng negosyo na napaka-importante. Ang unang-una, accounting. Pangalawa, record keeping. At pangatlo, ang pagbigay ng komisyon sa aming mga members. Pagdating sa accounting, sinisigurado namin na kami ay nagbabayad ng tamang buwis. Lahat ng regulatory requirements ay meron kami at lahat ng permits ay aming natutuntunan. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay sinisigurado namin na ang aming mga commission payouts ay laging nasa tamang oras.
Here at Major, our heritage is in building. From affordable housing communities, to leisure resort destinations, to condo hotels, to high-rise dormitories. We understand, we feel that we need to deliver a product that you can hold, a product that you can touch and experience, which is very evident sa mga produktong pinili natin para sa Major U. Dito sa Major U, we make sure you will have a successful business. We will make sure that you will be your own boss. We will make sure that you live the life that you deserve and make all the money that you can, because we invest in the people, process, technology, and all you have to do is run the business.
So, if you want to go into business, if you want to increase your income, and if you are very open-minded, you might just be our next millionaire.
We want you to live the life you deserve.
Welcome to Major U.
For more information, contact the person who referred you to this page.